Heyo guys, what's good? Welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about how to make money with Google Adsense. The most basic of how to make money online method that's out there. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Alright, by the way, we are learning machines and we are impactors and we are addicted to success, and this channel is only for entrepreneurs and those who will be successful someday. So if you're interested in that, subscribe. Intro. Alright guys, so basically how you would make money with Google AdSense is, there's several ways, and I'll write them down actually. So, a website, and you can sign up for Google AdSense so easily. Just type in Google, go to Google AdSense and just sign up for it. Make sure you're above 18 years old obviously, and then you're good. Another way is YouTube, and you are eligible for the YouTube AdSense program after a certain amount of subs and a certain amount of views or watch time on your channel. I don't even have it yet, but I probably will in the future, which is pretty exciting. It's definitely not something I would consider a main source of income, but I'll tell you what, it is a main source of income for big channels, for sure. Obviously, for people like PewDiePie, big income stream, people like Logan Paul, Jake Paul, people that have top 10 videos like watchmojo.com or whatever. Another one, which no one really talks about, is apps, okay? Imagine there was something really cool I saw on Instagram the other day from this one page that basically talks about business ideas. And it was where you pay an app designer for to make your app, like $2,000, then you upload it, you have a certain amount of users, each user watches like 4 ads per day. You make a certain amount of money from them there, and you're making like $500 a day. They did the math and I don't remember it, but it's pretty awesome, okay? So that's just something else you gotta keep in mind. These are the ways to make money with AdSense, alright? A website, YouTube, and apps. Y'all know how to make a lot of money very fast is trends, okay? Most people don't talk about that, but the internet is run. It's run by trends. That's what keeps people coming back typically, unless they have another reason to go back to the internet. But trends, like something big that's happening currently, is how you can blow up, okay? So make a video about a trend. You'll blow up and get a lot of money from AdSense, makes sense? And make a blog post or make something about a trend and write about it right there. Now, I'm going to go in depth about each one. For an app, just make a game and have ads, and even incentivize people to watch ads and then they get a certain thing, okay? For YouTube, have like tons of videos, and each month you get like over 100,000 views. You're making good passive money from the AdSense on YouTube. So that's another way to do it. For me, I know I'm not going to make like a huge fortune off AdSense, so I'm monetizing in more ways than just that. And that's what I really want to talk about in this video. It's not always about AdSense, guys. Sure, you can make money from AdSense, it's great. If you're huge and everything, you're going to make a huge amount of money, so then that's when it really matters. But typically, try to monetize in more ways, like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, print on demand, services. You can do services, and courses, digital products, CPA marketing, all those different ways. Even have your own book. Alright, so with a website, have a ton of blog posts that all have the same goal of ranking in the search engines, okay? And have an authoritative blog. That can take years to do, and here's the strategy. Have a website with AdSense and more monetization methods. Have a YouTube channel linking to that with AdSense and more monetization methods. Then you're set, my friend. Maybe even have an app too. There you go, that's how you make money with AdSense. Click the links in the description, my friend. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.